So if you're here, that means that you are interested in how you can put your tech tools, your Chromebook rules, your iPad rules, whatever it is, into Canvas so that the students can have access to it at all times within your digital classroom. And so the way we're going to do it, I'm going to give you two options. The first option is just making a module. So when you go into modules and you have your whole setup, you may be interested in creating a default module or a module 0, where when you edit this module or you add one in, you may just have your add module. And so I would bring this one up to the top and make sure it's always on top. And when I add these things, I may create just an external tool to my presentation here. So I'm just going to get my view only link, and I'm going to come over here, and my page name is going to be class rules and tips. And I'm going to make it load in a new tab with no indentation. So there's my first item. And now you can see it open in a new tab here, and so the students can just access the page that they need when they need it. So we would add the other resources. And I have my help module set up at the top. So that's the first way. The second way is by adding links in the course navigation. So you can see here that everything here is pretty much covered. If I am going to a student view, you can see that the student does not see anything except for modules. That's all that they see. So if I want to add those 3 resources to the side, I'm going to come into settings, and then I'm going to come over here to apps in the top navigation, and I'm going to look for the redirect tool. So I'm going to add the redirect tool. I'm going to click add app, and this is basically the same thing that we just did but with modules, but we're going to add it to our course navigation. So I'm going to grab my links and I'm going to pop them in the side. And I'm going to make sure that I check this show in course navigation. That's really important, or else it's not going to show up on the side. I'm going to click add app. Okay, and so you can see it's not here yet. So what I need to do is I just need to come home, and now it's updated, and it's at the bottom, but because there's none of these other ones will show, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to click student view, and now you can see here my tech rules and tips are pinned to the side in my course navigation. They don't have to navigate to modules and figure out which one to click. It's just right there. So I hope these two options help you for how you can make sure that your classroom management tools are embedded inside of Canvas. And let me know if you have any more questions. Bye.